Hi! I'm making Vietnamese grilled pork for this video. I like to make this to put on the kids' lunch because it's very easy to make, it's very easy to prepare. I just need to marinate the pork a night before. And then in the morning, I can just like flip it on the pan, 1 minute on its side, and yes, with the steamed rice, lunchbox ready. I use this one also for me making my wrap. So I just need to slice that grilled pork and then put it on the wrap with some lettuce, carrots, cucumber, and then I'm just gonna roll it. And that's gonna be my lunchbox as well. Yep, easy to make. What you need to do is just marinate the pork a night before to bring out all this flavor. And dinner should be ready in less than 15 minutes. It's fun, isn't it? I like quick cooking. Let's check it out how to make this together. And for the wrap, you might want to check my previous video. I have a healthy version, oat and egg, to making the wraps. All right, let's do this.